Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so you guys requested a dance tutorial on how to do the Ride It Dance from TikTok, uploaded by Brad. As always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Gabby and Butterplace, for being the first one to request it. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go through the footwork, and at the end I'm gonna go through the arms. So if you feel comfortable with the footwork at the end, you can add the arms. Yeah? Alright, so the first few moves are whoop, whoop, whoop. Now I'm gonna try to do a more simple version of that. So what we wanna practice is saying jump back on our left leg. So let's just try that. We're gonna go whoop. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it from the side. We're gonna jump back like that. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump here. Yeah, notice how my right leg is up here to the front. Doing sort of a kick here. Kick jump. Yeah, so let's just try that again. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Alright, so pretty simple, right? Jump here. Now I'm showing it from the side. What I want to do is jump on my right leg. Yeah, so I did jump on left leg. Now jump on right leg. So I'm gonna go 1, 1. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump right. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump right. And notice how I'm bringing my left leg a bit back when I jump on my right. Yeah? So remember, jump left, jump right. Last part, just bring your left foot down here, yeah? Behind your right. So I went from here, I just jumped on my right, and I'm bringing my left leg behind my right. Yeah? So let's do the whole thing. We're gonna jump on left, we're gonna jump on right, bring your left behind your right. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump right, left, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump right, left, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, jump right, left, down. Yeah? If you feel like I'm going too fast or too slow, remember you can always change your YouTube speed settings. Alright, so for the ones that feel that this is too easy, I'm gonna give you a few more details. So when you jump, you can of course exaggerate, but here when you jump on your right, you can say pull your toes inwards. Yeah, not the outwards. You want to go inwards, and then when you place your left behind your right, you want to say out. Yeah, the toes are inwards, outwards. So it's inwards, outwards. Again, jump inwards, outwards. Alright, moving on to the next part. So we said here, behind. What you want to do now is sit up on your right. You want to jump and kick your left up like this, yeah? So if we had to do it on the spot just for practicing purposes, we're gonna do whack, yeah? So from here, I'm gonna jump almost at the spot, maybe I'm jumping a bit back on my right, kicking my left to the front, yeah? Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump kick. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump on your left. Again, 5, 6, sorry, I'm jumping on my right. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump on my right. Again, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump on my right. Now, instead of just doing it here to the front, I'm gonna twist a little bit. So I'm gonna say turn here. Yeah, so I'm not doing it to the front here. I'm going here. So I'm turning from here, or almost here to the front, and I'm gonna go here. Let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Remember to have all your weight on your right before you do the jump, or else you can lift your left leg. Okay, so we just did jump kick here. Now it's pretty simple. You just jump back and forth. Now I'm jumping on my left, jumping back on my right, and jump on my left. Yeah. Now I'm exaggerating, so I'm doing this rocking back and forth, but normally when you do it fast, you're just here in the middle, and maybe you're even a bit down in level. Yeah, so bend your knees a bit, and then you can do this without going, whoa. Yeah, so we just did from here. Left is behind my right. I want to say jump kick on my right. Whoop. Here. I want to say jump on my left. On my right. On my left. Alright, so let's try that again from here. Left leg is behind my right leg. We're gonna jump on our right, kicking our left to the front. Whoop. Yeah. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump kick. Jump to the front. Jump to the back. Jump to the front. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump kick to the front, to the back, to the front. Alright guys, let's take it from tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so we're gonna start by jumping on our left. We're gonna go whoop, whoop, whoop. From here, jump kick, front, back, front. Alright, let's try to do it slow. So, jumping on our left here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump kick, jump to the front, place, behind. Now get ready to say jump kick, whoop, jump to the front, jump to the back, jump to the front, whoop. Let's try that again. So, starting like this, jumping on our left, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, back. Now jump on right, whoop, front, back, front. Alright guys, let's move on. So we're here to the front on our left leg. From here, we want to jump on our left again, but we want to at the same time also turn like that. Yeah, so I'm doing a jump here to my right, and I'm kicking my right leg here to the left. So I'm basically just kicking it to the front, yeah, because I'm turning my body this way. So now I'm facing here to my right side. I want to turn to my left side. So from here, 7, 8, left. So basically you're just doing jump kick like that. If you had to do it on the spot, you're just doing jump kick. But now you're also turning from right to left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, turn. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn. Alright, so from turn, again, like we did before, you want to jump to the front, on our right, jump to the back, on our left, jump to the front, on our right. Alright, let's go a bit back. So from here, facing our right, standing on our left leg, we want to jump on our left leg, kicking our right. So here, jump, now jump to the front, on your right, jump to the back, on your left, jump to the front, on your right. Let's try that once again. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, front, back, front. Alright, so far so good. So the next moves are pretty simple because it's basically what you've been doing so far, and that is jumping on your left, kicking your right up, yeah, and then you're gonna go on your left, on your right, and then you want to go on your left, but this time you move it to the right side. Before it was here on the left side, now it's going to the right side. And of course I'm doing these jumps. And remember, you don't have to exaggerate in the beginning, just make sure that you learn the move first and then you can exaggerate afterwards, yeah? I'm basically just moving here, my left leg from side to side. Boom, right, left, right, left, right, left. And I'm doing this while I'm jumping, of course, yeah? So I'm saying jump, 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 jump. Okay, so from here, you want to go left, right, again, left, right, right. So let's just practice that again. I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna go ta 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 ta. A bit slower, of course. So again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip top so we don't forget the first part. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so quick recap. We did walk, 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 and turn, boom, 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 turn, boom, 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 kick, and kick, and kick, and kick, and. Alright, now let's try to do it slow. So, starting by jumping on my left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, behind. Now we're gonna turn kick. Here, front, back, front. Get ready to turn kick. Whoop. Front, back, front. From here, jump left, right, left, right. One more time, right, left, right. Let's try it again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, place left. Get ready to turn kick. Jumping on your right, left, right, left. Jump again on left. Whoop. Right, left, right, jump, left, right, left, right, once again, left, right, left, right.